Hi guys! Welcome on the next episode with opening with new sets of Barbie. Today we are going to decorate the house. We've got 5 sets to open. Wow, I can't wait. There's a fridge, a toilet and a sink. Beautiful bath, washing machine and iron. Wow! And the sofa. Wow, she's beautiful in flowers. To our studio, I invite a special guest. It's Sylvia. Hi! Sylvia will help us open our sets. Okay, Sylvia, no problem. From what set you want to begin? Let me think. Oh, let's start from this. I'm so tired after this training. Maybe we will open this one. Okay, no problem, as you wish. Oh, that's great. I will relax just a bit. Now we must put our sofa into one piece. There's a lot of pieces. It's our sofa. It's pink and look, it's got a logo Barbie with the flowers. She's great, so come on, let's try it on. And what do you think? Oh, it's really comfortable. It's so comfy in here. Yes, that's what I need. Hey, but that's the end. It's not the end. We've got a blanket in here for you to be warm and comfy. Look, it's in the flowers, pink. There's a pillow too. It's blue with the white dots. And finally, there's the slippers. It's 2 pink birds. Oh, they are so sweet. Finally, in that shoes, my feet are so hurt. Finally, so comfortable slippers. Sylvia needs some rest, so let's open another set. now we will open a beautiful bath. This is how it looks, our bath. It's blue with flowers. You can see anything. In the set, there's a basket. There's a small pieces too. Look, here's a shampoo and a balm and a duck. And look, we can put this in a basket. Here we've got a bathroom rug with a sign of a Barbie. It's pink and Barbie won't sleep on it. Sylvia, Sylvia, get up, get up. Did I miss something? Wow! It's a bath! Wow! It fit perfect! Yes, just please bubbles. So our bathroom will complete. We need, a fridge? No, not a fridge. And this? No, this not. Yes, we need a toilet. It's a toilet, white and a pink with the flowers. It's a sink. It's white and pink too. And it's a place for a towel here. In the set we will find pink slippers, toothbrush and a toothpaste, and a blue towel. Whoa, it's great! At last, my bathroom will be beautiful. It's comfortable. It's extra too. Well, I'm wondering what's next. Now we will open a washing machine. And this is our washing machine. It's pink with flowers and a Barbie sign. We can open it up and close it. Here we've got a space for iron. In the set we can find iron. Well. It's so large. Did you prepare for me something? Yes, I've got the last set. And it's a fridge. Here how it looks, our fridge. Here we've got an ice. Let's open it up. Ta-da! Whoa, it's large in here. We've got 3 shelves. 1, 2, 3. And here a space for fruits and vegetables. Look, here we've got an eggs. It's for a drink. Oh, I'm so hungry now. I think that it's all set. Oh, I thought that you've got something for me else. No, I'm sorry. It's the end. Hey, but don't worry. We will open new sets of Barbie soon. Wow, that's great! I can't wait! If you can't wait too, leave a thumbs up! Subscribe our channel to see more videos with a Barbie! Hey, and if you like to see more of new sets Barbie, leave a thumbs up! And subscribe our channel to see more and more episodes with Barbie. See you soon. Bye bye.